Your body right now is aging faster than it should. Not because of your genetics, not because of your age, but because your cells are suffocating. Your mitochondria are breaking down, and a silent wave of inflammation is destroying you from the inside out. And here's what the anti-aging industry hopes you never learn. You can start reversing this in just 2 minutes every morning. No supplements, no gadgets, no overpriced biohacks. Just a simple research-backed protocol thousands of my patients use to turn back their biological clock. And I'm going to show it to you step by step. But first, you need to understand why your body is aging faster than it should. Why you feel older than you are. Most people scroll through social media searching for anti-aging hacks, spending hundreds on pills, powders, red light devices, and treatments that barely move the needle. And they're missing something huge. Your chronological age, the number on your birthday cake, means almost nothing. Your biological age, that's what determines how you feel, how you look, and how long you'll actually live. You might be 45 on paper, but if your cells are inflamed, your mitochondria are sluggish, and your stress hormones are maxed out, your body could be functioning like someone in their 60s. But here's the breakthrough. New research has identified simple, free, at-home interventions that target the exact pathways responsible for aging. And the 2-minute protocol I'm about to show you, it activates your body's natural anti-aging machinery fast. Let's begin. Step 1. Wim Hof breathing. This isn't just deep breathing. This is a scientifically validated method that boosts oxygen saturation, lowers inflammation, activates genes for repair and resilience. A 2023 Nature study found the Wim Hof method improves autonomic nervous system function, strengthens immune response, and even reduces pain perception. And it takes just 60 seconds. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably, back straight. Take 30 deep, powerful breaths. Inhale fully, belly first, then chest. Exhale gently. No forcing. After 30 breaths, exhale completely and hold. 30 to 60 seconds. When you need air, inhale deeply. Hold 10 to 15 seconds. Release. That's 1 round. Start with 1. Build to 2 or 3. Inside your body, you're triggering controlled stress adaptation. You're shifting out of fight or flight. You're priming your cells for repair. Step 2. Cold water face plunge. This is where the magic kicks in. 30 seconds of cold activates cold shock proteins, powerful anti-aging molecules. Cold exposure triggers mitochondrial biogenesis, your body creating new, healthier mitochondria. It also reduces inflammation and activates repair pathways that decline with age. Do this. Fill your sink or a bowl with ice-cold water. Not cool, cold. Plunge your face in for 10 to 15 seconds. Come up, breathe. Plunge again for 10 to 15 seconds. That's 30 seconds total. If it feels intense at first, splash cold water on your face and neck. Your body adapts quickly. These 30 seconds send a clear signal. Make new mitochondria, repair damaged cells, lower inflammation. These are the 3 core drivers of biological aging. Step 3. 30-second movement burst, AMPK activation. This activates AMPK, the master regulator of metabolism. AMPK reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and triggers autophagy, your cellular cleanup system. It's the same pathway activated during fasting, which is why this 30-second burst amplifies your entire routine. Pick 1. Plank hold, 30 to 40 seconds. Air squats, 20 to 30 controlled reps. Wall sit, 30 seconds. Rotate them throughout the week if you want to. You're not trying to exhaust yourself. You're sending a metabolic signal that wakes up your longevity pathways. Putting it all together. In just 2 minutes, you've done something remarkable. Wim Hof breathing rebalanced your autonomic nervous system, primed your cells for resilience. Cold exposure activated cold shock proteins, triggered mitochondrial biogenesis, accelerated cellular repair. Movement burst fired up AMPK, reduced inflammation, activated autophagy. These benefits stack together, working synergistically to reverse the hallmarks of aging. Bonus: 30 seconds of sunlight. Right after waking up, get 30 to 40 seconds of direct sunlight. This sets your circadian rhythm, improves sleep, boosts mood, and strengthens the metabolic effects of this entire routine. What you'll notice after 30 days: this protocol works at the cellular level, so results start internally before you feel them. But here's what my patients consistently report. Waking up refreshed, stable all-day energy, sharper mental clarity, better stress resilience, reduced inflammation and pain, smoother digestion, healthier skin and mood. Some even say they feel younger, not metaphorically, but biologically. Make this ritual non-negotiable. This 2-minute morning routine isn't just anti-aging, it's reclaiming control over how your body functions, how you feel, and how you age. Commit to it. Your future self will thank you. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health content, and share this with someone who needs it. Until next time, take care of yourself.